that I shut off. This, it's opened, and this I gotta drain. So this is how I'm draining this. Okay, goes right in the bucket. All this is shut off. The gas valve is shut off. Everything shut off. Okay. I just opened this valve here to have drainage, and I shut off that cold water pipe, that valve. Well, came off. This is broke, so I gotta chip this out. Chip this off. Okay, I'm gonna get this hot. It's an old file I have without a handle. I'm gonna get this really hot. And it's pretty much red right now. I'm gonna burn this up. That's what it is. Okay, that one's done. I'm gonna leave it like that, it's tight. I'm gonna put this back. And okay, no leaks. Good, real good. Okay, the quality was really bad. Look how thin the wall is here. It was leaking right there. The wall was so thin. It was right at the threads. No wonder it was leaking. And when I tried to unscrew it to get it out, it broke. I had this little piece in there I had to fish out. You see how I used an old file and without a handle, and I put that on the burner and heat it up, and kind of this melts from that heat. So I was able to break through one side, and then it just flaked off. Scary. I wasn't sure I was going to get it out. But yeah, that's it. Really, really bad quality here. And we're back in business. I made a mess. Gotta clean up.